a woman, you've had this happen before. You have a pair of shoes, they're beautiful, but every time I walk, my feet are constantly popping out of the back. My heels. So I ordered this and I just wanted to show you what these look like and how easy they are to put in. They're kind of like a soft, they almost feel like suede-ish, I guess. So then it has this sticky back. Okay. And then fold it so the sticky side's on the outside. And then I would mount it just under like the lip of your shoe so you can't see it. And then just kind of get it in place and let it go and press it down. I just wanted to show you one other pair that I have that this is my size, but they're just big on me. So whenever I wear them, my foot is moving around, which makes them very uncomfortable. So this is before, and then this is what it looks like after, but I wanted to show you. From the side, you can't see it at all, because again, you just mount it like further down. This is game changing, guys. Those shoes that you have that would be great, but you don't ever wear them because they don't quite fit right. These little pads, there were like 4 in this pack. These are so great. I don't know why I didn't get this sooner. I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.